The Baby Traveler is one of the most practical and convenient diaper bags you will ever use with your baby. It is a unique diaper bag and changing area all in one, allowing you to change your baby anywhere, conveniently and hygienically, on a padded, soft, waterproof change mat. The changing mat is removable for washing, and spare changing mats are available. The entire bag itself is machine washable too. There are many elasticized and zippered pockets that keep everything that you will need for a day out with your baby, all within reach. When you have finished changing your baby, simply fold the bag up and wear it as a messenger bag or as a backpack. Items in the bag are easily reached while wearing. The Baby Traveler may also be hung on your stroller with the easy-to-attach stroller straps. The straps on the bag are all adjustable to allow more or less to be carried. An outside parent pocket provides a convenient place for your wallet. There is a large back pocket as well. The Baby Traveler also includes an insulated bottle traveler and a cell phone holder to ensure you are completely organized and ready to head out with your little one.